Hi guys, and welcome ulit sa ating YouTube channel. For today's video, ang gagawin natin is tuturuan ko kayo ng mga proper syntaxes and the basics of the Java programming language. Okay, so sa ating screen, makikita natin this is the proper syntax of a Java programming program. If a Java program, okay? Para sa ating unang sample, if makikita natin, meron tayong nakalagay dito ang system out.println or println na hello. Okay, so let's try to run it. Okay, so kita natin dito, may lumabas na ang output natin is a hello output. Okay? Okay, so basically, system.out.println is printing out a specific string, word, sentences, set of words na ilalagay mo inside this double, inside its parenthesis. Okay? The other one is called system out dot print world. Okay, so let's run para maipakita ko kung ano yung pinagkaiba. Okay, so si system out.println, if makikita dito, system out.println ang with the hello string or hello world, hello word is in a print line. Okay, so basically ang ginagawa nito is to printing out the output, and then it creates a space or a next line for the next output. So in this case, hello, and then created a next line because it's print line. That's why ang world na ito is nasa baba na ni hello. Now para ma-ensure natin na tama ang sinasabi ko, no, tanggalin natin si print line, and then gawin natin print line si world na word. Okay, now let's run this. See, now since wala nang print line si hello and wala din space, kaya nagdikit sila. Okay, basically yun lang ang differences between print line and print. Now for the next part of our discussion is the basics of the variables, handling of variables. Okay, so ang variables na tinatawag natin are storage, parang storage siya, wherein dito natin i-store, dito natin pwedeng i-store yung mga values na kailangan natin for the rest of our program. There are several variable types sa programming language. Okay, sa mga programming language. So first of all, ang gagawin ko muna is papakita ko muna sa inyo how to properly declare, or the proper syntax in declaring a variable. Now, I listed four different variable types, no? So, a string, an int, a float, and a boolean. Now, si string is used to store datas na mahaba, or sabihin natin sentences. Okay, int is to store numbers, whole numbers, okay? Whole ha, whole. Kasi si float is numbers with decimal point. Ganon din si double, okay? And then si boolean is nag-i-store lang siya ng dalawa, two datas only, which is the true or false lang. Okay? Okay, so that is the variable types, how to declare them, the proper syntax, and how to set their values. Okay? Now, for the next video, ang gagawin natin is to create a simple program using the system out as well as the variable types. Now, stay tuned and thank you.